Hi guys, so in this section we'll discuss about form, fill set and listen. Okay, fill set is nothing but to give a box around our all the element inside form. So this is the all element inside our form. Okay, so we want a box around that. Okay, so what we this a fill set tag is there, so you just put and everything in all the element you should put inside this fill set. Okay, and one more thing, like you want some headline for this fill set, so legend will do this thing. So actually this is our date HTML page. I modified that thing and enter the day this text I am putting under legend, so it will be a title of the form. Okay, so that way you can group all the form element. Okay, let's see what will the output. See, okay, this is the fill set, it is a box around, and this is the title for that. Okay, it's like formatting kind of thing, and all other element will come inside this fill set. Okay, thank you.